Ang lalaking ito ay siya ang nakahula tungkol sa lindol na nangyari dito sa Pilipinas. Sinabi niya din na may mga disaster pa daw na mangyayari this October hanggang November pa daw ito. At yung tungkol naman sa lindol na nangyari ay kanya itong nahulaan. Sinabi niya na magkakaroon ng malakas na lindol before end of September. At nangyari nga ito. Nitong September 30, nagkaroon ng malakas na lindol kung saan sa Cebu. Ano sa tingin nyo, nagkataon lang bang mangyari ang kanyang prediction? May ginawa siyang video na in-upload niya nitong September 13, 2025. Ito, panoorin nyo.
So from now on, moving forward, the Philippines should watch out because I heard people crying. I heard people crying in the Philippines. And when I heard people crying in the Philippines, I looked to see what is making them cry. And I saw mothers holding children in their hand. And they were dead. And I saw other people laying down, they were dead. And then when I looked to what made them dead, I saw a strong earthquake that hit the Philippines. I saw a strong earthquake that hit the Philippines. And then I saw a water disaster in the nation of the Philippines. So we need to pray for the Philippines. Watch especially this September. Before this September ending and October and November, these 3 months, the Philippines should be watching out for this thing I just mentioned. The Philippines, watch out for what? Watch out for strange death through disaster. And the disaster that I saw is earthquake. Earthquake in the nation of the Philippines. Strong earthquake. And then, today is 13 September. Okay, today is 13 September. Okay. Yeah, today is 13 September. So, the Philippines should watch out from strong earthquake. Water disaster I saw.
Sinabi niya rin na may 2 leaders sa government ang magre-resign. Alam niyo to kung sino siya. At magkakaroon daw ng protesta. Nangyari nga ito. At ito pa, sa bansang Bangladesh naman, nakita niya na magkakaroon ito ng political crisis at yung president nila ay mauospital. Sa bansang Japan naman, magkakaroon din daw ng malakas na tsunami at marami ang mamamatay. At ang last naman na bansa na kanyang nakitaan ng prediksyon ay ang bansang Kenya. Tataas daw ang terrorism attack at magkakaroon din ng patayan at magkakagulo ang bansang ito. At posible pa daw tumaas ang krimen